Hi everyone, I'm Aarti from New Jersey. Last year, when I relocated from India to New Jersey, I was extremely sad to leave RIT Fitness. I've been associated with RITS for around 6 years now, and it had become over the years it had become like as important to me as eating or breathing. So leaving it was such a pain. And then when I shifted here, I checked out the workouts available to me here, and thankfully my building offers a series of variety of workouts, and there's an HIIT class, there are Zumba classes and all. So I joined those classes, and I was trying hard to fit in, but there was something amiss. And then the COVID happened. COVID is obviously horrible, but there was a blessing in disguise for me. And that was Ritu started her online classes, and that's when I was like, wow, I'm going to get my, the love of my life back. So I rejoined and reconnected with Ritu and Ritz Fitness, and and after that, I looked back and thought, as to what is it that I was missing in the other classes, and what is it that makes me glue to the classes that Ritu offers, right? So there were several factors. First one being, the variety of workouts that Ritu offers. So we do step workout, circuit training, functional training, Zumba, Tabata, power aerobics, yoga. There's like series of workouts we do, and there's no monotony, right, in our daily schedule. The second one, I felt that the personal attention that Ritu brings to the workouts, especially if you have something to focus upon, a particular body part that you want to focus upon, or you have injuries and you need some personal attention, or you want some alternative workouts. Ritu makes sure that you're well taken care of. I also felt that there are so many, recorded sessions available online these days of, workout, and you can actually do it. But no, that doesn't work for me. I needed somebody, who can continuously watch me and, correct my posture and push me to challenge my own self, or, my last recorded, times for various workouts, right? So somebody, who is continuously pushing you, encouraging you. Then I also felt that I derive energy from the group as well, and if you can find a buddy in the group who can match your energy actually multiplies and doubles up, and I love that part as well. Then the other factor that I felt was the balancing act, right? So over the week we design our workouts in a way that you're focusing on each body part and core strengthening, so that your body is getting the food in terms of exercise in a very balanced way. The next factor I felt was a self-awareness, right? The Ritu just does not make you do the workout. She also teaches you, and makes you give you a lot of knowledge about where to focus your energy on, what is the impact of each workout, what is the correct posture. So that way, you get to know your body much more, and what works for you and what does not. So that really helped me. I also felt that despite being online and virtual, the effectiveness of the classes had not faded out at all, had not been compromised at all. Ritu's ability to switch over to the online mode, to adapt and quickly conceptualize the whole thing was truly commendable. So she has figured out as to how to deal with the technology, plus how to have a certain decorum, which is different from physically delivered classes, how to have that in the virtual setup as well, so that we can have the intense and focused 1 hour dedicated workout every day. So while for me personally, while keeping physically fit is obviously important, and watching the weight is important, but at the same point in time, staying healthy, staying happy, staying positive is another big benefit that I derive from these classes, right? And especially when I've seen that in these crazy unusual times when you're getting series of bad news, it becomes so important that you keep your mind well healthy, in the right direction and well focused, and that your happiness will also reflect in how you are giving happiness to your surroundings, to your family, to your friends, and everyone around you. So yeah, so thank you so much, Ritu. I really appreciate your enthusiasm, your intense energy, and fun that you bring in every single day workout that we attend. Thank you. Bye bye.